Morning, everybody. This is Michael at FABS. What I get to walk into this morning is a broke sink top. Broke here, you can see it. It's broke here. So I don't know what happened. My guys say maybe it's where they cut the sinkhole and it fell and hit the car. I don't know, but I can't send it like this. So I'm gonna see if I can fix it. This is 100% my only option to fix it. You can see I've ate that out. It'll allow me to put stone in there, make it kind of look nice, polish it out. It's a lot of work, but it's the only way to do it and make it right. So as you can see, I cut my phone. I'm recording on FOUCH, but as you can see, I cut and cleaned out sections and put stone in it. Then I put a second type of acrylic on top of it with some color, trying to get that to all dry solid, and then I'll start stoning it and we'll see what happens. Alright guys, I got this thing all polished up, put back together. I think it looks pretty good. I'm gonna work out this okay. Just wanted to show you guys. Hopefully it'll go alright. Customer's house and we'll be good to go. Hey guys, we're back out here at this home with the white tiger. I told you at the shop, I don't know if Gary has edited the video for the first half of this job yet, but I told you the full height was coming. So we got these pieces in. You know, I still got to pretty them up and put the seams together. As you can see, we had this laid out in one piece. We don't try to like save material and push it all to one corner and then put it on the wall and it looks like crap. We use the material necessary so that we can cut it, and when we put it back together, it all flows together. This one here we actually cut in one piece because there wasn't no crevices that we had to fit in and take a chance on scratching the cabinets and all that. So we're actually all kind of taking a breather since we carried this one in. I've got the silicone on the wall back there, and trust me, the silicone is all you need. Once you put it against the wall, then you put your bottom silicone and your top silicone and all that. We put a bar on it, of course, to support it. The bar's coming off, so we'll have to sure that up before we move it. I'm gonna spray some water on Tony's end. That's why it's coming off. But anyways, I will show you the finished job when I'm done. And thank you for watching. Alright everybody, we've got the full height finished up. Just went ahead and made sure that the faucet would fit because, you know, it was so tight to the full height and all that. We don't want to leave the customer in a bad situation by not checking the faucet to see if it'll fit. We always go ahead and put the outlet covers and put the extended screws in for the customer. That way they don't have to go out to a hardware store and try to find all that stuff, blah blah blah. But you know, you want to have that little 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch gap underneath, and that's it. In my opinion, full height is the best look. I think it turned out really nice. It looks really freaking cool, especially with these natural color cabinets. So anyways, if you saw the first video, you know what it looked like before we started, and now you see what it looks like after. Another thing, you know, I like doing jobs that look good, but the one thing that can make or break a job is your customers. And this job actually had some really nice, cool customers, easy to work with. Actually lent us a hand getting this long piece in. So you know, that if they was all like that, our job would be a lot easier. So anyways guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.